Have a PowerPoint presentation that you want to open in LibreOffice. LibreOffice Impress can open common Microsoft PowerPoint formats, making it easy to view, edit, and present slides without Microsoft PowerPoint. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open PowerPoint files in LibreOffice in 2026. So let's get started. First, locate the PowerPoint presentation you want to open. Common PowerPoint files usually use formats such as PPT or PPTX. Make sure you know where the presentation is saved before opening it. Next, launch LibreOffice and select Impress, the presentation application included with the suite. Impress gives you tools for editing slides, adding content, applying transitions, and presenting your work. Now select File, then Open, and browse to your PowerPoint presentation. Select the file and click Open. You can also usually double-click a PowerPoint file if LibreOffice is configured to open that file type. Once the presentation opens, review the slides carefully. Check the text, images, fonts, layouts, animations, transitions, and other elements to make sure everything transferred correctly. Take a moment to compare important slides with the original PowerPoint presentation if you have access to it. After reviewing the file, you can edit it directly in Impress. Change text, move objects, add images, update layouts, or make any other changes you need. If you're working with an important presentation, consider saving a copy before making major changes. Finally, choose File, then Save As, and select the format you need. If you want to keep the presentation compatible with Microsoft PowerPoint, choose a PowerPoint format such as PPTX. So the PowerPoint presentation is now open, editable, and ready to save or present from LibreOffice Impress. And that's how to open PowerPoint files in LibreOffice. Locate your presentation, open it with Impress, review the slides, make your edits, and save it in the format you need. LibreOffice makes it convenient to work with many PowerPoint presentations, even when Microsoft PowerPoint isn't installed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.